how to use tan, tanto, and tantos. Tan can be translated as so. Tanto and tanta can be translated as so much or so long when talking about time. Tantos and tantas can be translated as so many. Examples. Esta hamburguesa está tan buena. This burger is so good. Los trabajadores están haciendo tanto ruido. The workers are making so much noise. Tengo tantas cosas que decirte. I have so many things to tell you. Usually, tan is followed by an adjective, and tanto, tanta, and tantos, tantas are followed by nouns. However, if you combine tan and como in a sentence, you get as, something in between, as in English. Example. Este ejercicio es tan difícil como el otro. This exercise is as difficult as the other. If you combine tanto and como in a sentence, you get as much, something in between, as in English. Example. Él tiene tanto dinero como su hermano. He has as much money as his brother. If you combine tantos and como in a sentence, you get as many, something in between, as in English. Example. Hay tantos visitantes como el año pasado. There are as many visitors as last year. Of course, you can place tanto and como together. Example. Me gustó tanto como ayer. I like it as much as yesterday. Well, that's all for now.